Just as we need to stretch our muscles before running or working out, we need to prepare our minds and hands for the creative journey ahead. While some may underestimate the power of warm-up exercises, the truth is that they can be transformative, elevating your drawing skill to new heights. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 exercises you can do to train your brain, eye, and brain before starting to draw. I have prepared some worksheets you can buy and download in the description below. You can also download my other free PDFs guide I've made before. So, let's get started. The first exercise is to place random dots around the paper and then connect them with straight lines first. Then do the same exercise, but this time connect them with curvy lines. Then draw straight lines. It may seem simple, but this is the building blocks of many drawings. This improves your precision and control. Start by placing 2 dots and connect them without thinking too much. The goal is to make them as straight and even as possible. Warming up may seem like a simple task, but its impact on your sketch is real. And this is important because warming up helps to clear your mind and increase your focus on the task at hand. It enhances the connection between your mind and your hand, making your strokes more precise. It kickstarts your creativity, allowing ideas to flow more freely. It can help alleviate the anxiety of a blank page and reduce the fear of making mistakes. Squares, scribbles, and spirals. Circles, spheres, and cylinders. Shape warm-ups are vital for improving your drawing accuracy. Don't try to make them symmetrical and uniform. You just feel free to draw however you want it. As you progress, move on to the 3-dimensional shapes. This exercise builds your foundation for realistic shapes. "3D shapes." Combine the previous exercise to create more complex and more organic shapes. Shapes in perspective. To add depth to your warm-up routine, practice drawing basic shapes in various perspectives. This exercise will prepare you for tackling more complex scenes. People and trees. I know, people don't usually use this as a warm-up exercise, but honestly, I like to draw people and trees. It's a good training and it's kind of relaxing. And simple rapid sketches. Incorporating these warm-up exercises into your daily drawing routine can have a great impact on your artistic skills. Remember that consistency is key, and over time you will see the remarkable progress that this warm-up exercise can bring to your art. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment if you like this video or if there is any other warm-up exercise you would like to do.